Hey Arthur, hi. For the deposit required process to sales opportunity. For these tasks, you have some errors. So that errors are due to the custom setting record. You have created custom record for PDF format, but you have to create for record for the custom setting. Here you can go and select the PDF formats, manage. Here no any records, so you have to create one record named as deposit PDF ID. So this name should be the same for all orgs, and here you can give that ID of PDF record. PDF formats. And save. Now from this opportunity we can create deposit billing record. Uh, Here now you have to set the accounting settings. Okay, thank you.